Yo, what's going on? So, I'm a mess, but real review. Okay. I heard a lot of crap about this thing. And I don't know, I think you're crazy. I love it. I just vacuumed my shop after I've been blasting, grinding, you name it. I put a new 9.0. I got half. I've probably been vacuuming for about a half an hour. And I stopped when I sucked up, can you see, a rubber glove. So this is about a half hour, maybe an hour of use. Okay, so this thing is pretty dirty. I've heard you can wash these now, you just need to let them dry. So that's nice. So I'm gonna dump that. Okay, I'm gonna pull this over the trash can. And it appears as if I need to make some room in here. So, this is everything I just vacuumed. So that is PVC from cutting trim boards to make caps for the ammo can. So nice little strings, which I would not argue, or I would argue is super healthy for a vacuum cleaner. Yeah, that's crazy. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna throw a battery in my leaf blower and I'm gonna run outside. I'm gonna fast forward this while I do that, so I'll be right back. Is that Inception if you use Milwaukee to clean Milwaukee? Okay, so that's better. Those things aren't clogged. I stopped when I noticed that it wasn't picking up gravel. Should your vacuum cleaner be strong enough to pick up gravel? I would argue that that is not its job. Now, I always blow these, I have to vacuum. I always blow these backwards. So the opposite of suck is blow. Usually does a pretty good job, but I'm gonna try the wash and dry method. So I'll make sure I take that in when I go inside. Let's see. This is how I get all the dust out of my beard. Get out of the shower and do this, and it'll dry it real well. So yeah, it sucks. It sucks great. Thank you, Milwaukee.